gray level thresholding versus max gradient as edge detectors in SEM scanlines. In continuation of our previous post, we agreed to investigate larger set, not just first 10 scanlines. But we need to use some commonly used techniques for sequential signal characterization, SNR. Here we have SNR plot of all 360 degrees radial scan lines for gray level and after gradient calculation. Obviously, gradient show higher SNR in average, but is it final conclusion? Let's use more elaborate SNR calculation, detrended, high pass, local variance, and PSNR. As you could see, original GL signal respond differently to applied transformations, and values of SNR for gradient virtually stayed the same. It means that different techniques for noise reduction with same parameters will improve GL SNR, and for gradient have no to little impact. PSNR calculated a bit differently. Thus, we could observe distinct jump in PSNR values. But for most approaches, GL exceed gradient, 3 to 5 dB. Simply speaking, as you convert scan line to gradient, is not much to do with signal metrics. Thank you for attention.